नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanidar, Kotaris, visitors, viewers, brahmacharis, brahmacharinis, yogis, yoginis, Sarvanyapita Yajamans, Kartas, Ananda Samajis, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today the message from Kailasa. Surround yourself with the ecosystem of, if you want to become enlightened, have that kind of friends, people, ecosystem around you. Because human being is fundamentally social animal. What constantly is fed into you, goes into you, whether you accept or reject. Please understand. Even when you are fighting, trying to reject something, with what you are fighting continues to remain as part of you. Last 2 years, almost 2 years, and to be precise, around 20 months, I'm almost out of the human society, living in seclusion. Understand? Hardly I was meeting handful of human beings, and last few months, not even handful, just I can count it in one hand. Rarely eating, almost no 1, 2, 3. Constantly being in samadhi. Surround yourself with what you want to achieve in your life. If you want to master the science of money, naturally Wall Street is the place for you, or Hong Kong is the place for you. Because even that air breathes with the idea of money, money, money. The whole ecosystem is built for that idea. Guperapuri. If you want to master the medical science, we have a place in Tamil Nadu. It's called Kollimalai. Anybody wants to master the medical science, understand? I am making the statement medical science. I am not saying Indian medical science. I am just saying medical science because still there are great masters, extraordinary power manifestors who can download the whole medical science are living in Kollimalai. That hills continues to be hosting the great ecosystem for medical science. Whether you want to master Eastern medical system like Siddha, Ayurveda, or the Chinese medicinal system, or the Western allopathy, chemicals based medicinal system, anything, I tell you, in Kollimalai, still some of the great doctors without body, I can say a big gang is alive. Anybody spends time in Kollimalai, these great souls, disembodied souls, catch you and start teaching you and downloading that science to you. I'm telling you. Understand? After being away from humanity for last 20 months, actually I may never come back again into human society, but Paramashiva's work, because of his work and his blessings, I'm going to be doing the world tour, maybe after January 2020. Listen carefully. Being in this seclusion, samadhi, I realized one of the important factor, human being is fundamentally social animal. The fire, Jatarakni in your navel, burns and pushes the signals and passions into your system based on the people and beings surrounding you. Never allow the soul suckers, the energy suckers, people who put you in depression, negativity around you. Keep happy people around you. Live with happy people, people who put powerful cognitions in you. When I say happy people, even the people who make you drink constantly, you may think they are making you happy. No, I'm not talking that kind of happy people. I am talking the people who will make you happy by putting powerful cognition in you, not alcohol and drugs and other stupid things. No. People who will put powerful cognitions in you and who will make you happy through powerful cognition. Enjoy them, experience them, taste them. Have that kind of community around you, ecosystem around you. Anyhow, now each one of you have to create the Kailasa ecosystem around you. You cannot depend on me anymore physically. I am not going to allow any more physical community to gather around me. Understand? I am going to make myself available to all the communities through my Divya Sarira. Actually, earlier, when I was allowing people physically around me, only one Kailasa was getting created. Now, when I decided to make myself available through Divya Sarira, thousands of Kailasas are getting created. So many ecosystems are getting revived. The ecosystem of Tiruvannamalai, the Kailasa ecosystem of Tiruvannamalai is getting revived. The Kailasa ecosystem of Madurai is getting revived. The Kailasa ecosystem of Kanchipuram is getting revived. The Kailasa ecosystem of Bidadi is getting revived. Adipita. The Kailasa ecosystem of Kashi is getting revived. The Kailasa ecosystem in Gujarat is getting revived. The Kailasa ecosystem in Nepal is getting revived. The Kailasa ecosystem in Sri Lanka is getting revived. The Kailasa ecosystem in Chennai is getting revived. I am seeing everywhere the Kailasa ecosystems getting revived. So now it's all of you. Decide what kind of life you want. Surround yourself with that kind of people. Kailasa in Trinidad Tobago is getting created. Raise yourself. Raise yourself. Surround yourself with the people who will put powerful cognitions in you and make you blissful, make you happy. Non-integrity should become redundant in your life, irrelevant. I tell you. Worst thing can happen to a human being is he starts believing integrity is difficult. That is the worst curse. Curse without redemption. Listen. I always tell Paramashiva, Prabhu, make me anything but never an atheist. Make me anything, even if you make me a dog, I can somehow worship some Shivalinga, someone remote forest and get enlightened. If you make me as a monkey, I can pluck at least one bale flower, bale patra, a leaf from a tree and drop it on a Shivalinga and get enlightened. If you make me a rat, when I go for drinking the ghee, somehow I'll kindle the temple lamp and get enlightened. Make me anything, I have no problem. But don't make me an atheist, because atheist is curse without redemption. Then no way. Understand? Whatever body, soul you are, in Shaivism, you have a way to get enlightened. If you just know how to surround yourself with the Shaivites, through any ecosystem, through any enlightenment ecosystem, you want to get enlightened, surround yourself with that system. Understand? Creating conflict in you, poison in you, and disconnecting your relationship with your Guru is the worst crime done to you. Understand? It is worse than killing you. When you abuse or actively listen to the abuse of the Guru, years of your spiritual practice and the umbilical cord connection you built with the Guru gets disconnected. And the people who disconnect that spiritual umbilical cord, put the poison in you, are neither going to raise your consciousness, nor they are interested in doing some good to you. They have some inner boiling due to various reasons. They vomit that on you, put that poison in you, and destroy your way of existence. Understand? I have seen people travel in the vertical time zone up to some level, then some doubt, confusion, collapse, tongue. Shine punnye mardyalogam vishanti. When the punyas are over, you collapse into the lower existence again. If you want to achieve the enlightenment, surround yourself with the people who will add constantly powerful cognitions into you. Is there as enlightenment ecosystem power? More people need to use it and internalize it, experience it, and manifest it. Still, just by remembrance, he liberates. Smaranat Mukti Arunachalam. Just by remembrance, it liberates. Each great being who was part of that great enlightenment ecosystem Seshadri Swamigal, Ramana Maharishi, Annamalai Swamigal, Isakki Swamigal, Ram Surat Kumar, Sadhu Om, Muruganar, Kanagammal, Raghupati Yogi, Vibhudanandapuri, the great beings, Thinnai Swamigal, the great Avadutas, understand the way they surrounded me and poured themselves into me. They made me with a great, sincere, hard work and with a great hope. I will multiply myself millions and awaken, revive all the Kailasa enlightenment ecosystems all over the world. As my gratitude to my gurus, acharyas, from today, every day I am going to give Kalpataru Darshan and Sivadiksha. It's absolutely free of cost. Every day, morning and evening, Indian Standard Time morning in English, Indian Standard Time evening in Tamil. I'll be giving various initiations. Sivadiksha level 1, level 2, and even Srividya initiation, Shodasi, Mantradiksha, and the various sampradayas, Dikshas and initiations. Every day I'll be offering as my gratitude to my Guru. All my Gurus, from Arunagiri Yogishwara, Paramashiva himself, to till all the Gurus who poured their time, life, energy, intelligence, strategy, blessings, everything into me. That whole Guru Parampara. As my gratitude to all of them, I'll start giving all the initiations, conducting the mandala processes, Kalpataru sessions. Everything, every day, morning and evening. To all of you, I am going to make myself available 20 hours a day. In a very organized way, all over the world, in all our temples, ashrams, all our temples, ashrams, universities will start conducting programs. Initiations and darshans will be given by me. Anyone wants to make my time, make use of my time, send email to registrar@kailasa.org. Understand? As my gratitude to my gurus, Guru Sampradaya, Guru Parampara, I'll be giving Guru Mantra Diksha, Guru Diksha, Siva Diksha, Samaya Diksha, Visesha Diksha, Kalpataru Darshan, Shodasi Vidya initiation, Ashtakshari Mantra Diksha means initiation into the great name of Vishnu. Ramanama Diksha, which I received from Bhagavan Yogi Ram Surat Kumar. I have received so many initiations, blessings from many of my gurus, acharyas, siddha purushas. I'll start sharing all of that. Whoever wants whatever initiations you can receive. Any temple, ashram, university wants initiation or Kalpataru Darshan, you can send an email and book my time. It will be freely available to all of you. 20 hours a day, I'll make myself available to all of you. The Indians turn the time night 12 to 4. That 4 hours, leave it to me for me to be in my samadhi. Indians turn the time night 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Leaving that 4 hours, you can request for any slot. It will be allotted first come, first served basis. You can have any initiation as per Hindu tradition. I'll make myself available. Fortunately, Paramashiva's grace, yes, blessed me with almost all major Hindu sampradayas. Saiva, Shakta, Ganapatya, Gaumara, Saura, Kashmira Saiva, Pasubada Saiva, Veera Saiva, Adi Saiva. All the major sampradayas, yes, blessed me. Whatever initiations I have received from my gurus, I will share with you all in the form of initiations. So, you can all receive all these initiations. I will even start conducting mandala processes. Means, for example, the temples where we have place, like Bididi Rajasabha or Tiruvannamalai Rajasabha or Rajapalayam Rajasabha or Salem Rajasabha. We can draw the mandalas, Kali Mandala, Shiva Mandala, Sri Vidya, Sri Chakra. We can draw the mandalas, devotees and disciples can sit keeping my mandala asana in the center. You will see the chair rotates automatically. That is the way to prove my presence is there and awaken your Kundalini Shakti through the mandalas. I'm going to start conducting mandala processes through the Divya Sarira. Initiations, mandala processes. Even our own ashrams, adhinams, gurukuls. For example, if the Yogini Sarvanyapita, all the Gurukul Balasans, if you guys want, you can book a slot. I'll do a mandala process for all of you. All my Rajavidya Gurukul Yuvarajas in Ichapuram Palace, Surya Vamsa Surangi, Samrajya Sarvanyapitham, Ichapuram Palace. If you guys want, you can book a time slot. I'll do a mandala process for you. Only thing, you should take the mandala rotating chair from Bididi. Bididi, we have multiple mandala process chairs. Take it and keep. You will see literally the chair rotates, starts rotating when I start the initiation process. And any ashram, I think Los Angeles, the floor need to be flat. If you want mandala process, the floor need to be flat. San Jose temple is flat floor, but Los Angeles temple, Rajasabha is not flat, it is slant. So you have to make a floor flat for mandala process. Any ashram temple which has a flat floor, we can start the mandala processes, initiations. I'm going to make myself available to all of you as a gratitude to my gurus. Same way, any ashram which want to conduct Sivadiksha, you should have the whole Guru Parampara of Shyamala Pita, Sarvanya Pita, Guru Parampara, their photographs. We have the photographs of Sundareshwara, Meenakshi, Jnana Sambandar, and 289, 290, 291, 292, 293. All their photographs should be displayed. And the ritual should be conducted properly so I can give you the initiation. As a gratitude to my gurus, I'm going to make myself available to all of you. Whether Adinavasis, Kailasavasis, Gurukuls, temples, anyone can ask for any initiation. For example, I'm giving an example. If 25 of you gather and decide to do the Nirahara Samyama in New York, and if you apply, Swamiji, we are 25 of us want to start Nirahara Samyama in New York. Please give us one session and initiate us. I'll do it. I'll give you 1 hour time, make you understand the Nirahara Samyama, and give you formal initiation into it. Same way, if somebody says, Swamiji, we are 50 of us, we decided to do Samskara Dahana Kriya for next 48 days. We wanted to have your initiation. We will all gather in San Jose temple. Please bless us. I'll give you 1 hour time. I'll explain the Samskara Dahana Kriya. Formally initiate all of you. All of you can practice next 48 days. Like this, any initiation mandala process from Hinduism. For example, there are some initiations still I have not even given once. Some great initiations related to Kashmiri Saivism. Some great initiations related to Lagulisha Saivism. Some of the great initiations related to Pashupada Saivism. Even if you ask those initiations, I will provide those initiations to all of you. Now, fortunately, Paramashiva has downloaded almost all the great sciences of Hinduism into me to be shared with you all. I'll make myself available to all of you in every possible way, giving Kalpataru Darshan. Actually, this great past has done such huge work. So much has been downloaded into the system. It just needs to be shared with you all. Whoever wants to receive, enjoy, 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 enjoy. Receive and enjoy. Same way. If you say, Swamiji, we are 100 of us. We wanted to have a Kalpataru Darshan session with you. We are all gathering in Houston temple. Yes. You request the time you need. 100 people means I may need 2 or 3 hours. I'll give the slot. You have the Kalpataru meditation. Then I'll give the 2-3 hours slot. You have Kalpataru Boon session, Darshan session. I'll give for you guys. You can choose your country time, your standard time. Just give me the 4 hours. Do not ask for the 4 hours between Indian standard time 12 o'clock night to 4 o'clock in the morning. Indian standard time night 12 o'clock to early morning 4 o'clock. That 4 hours, leave it to me for my samadhi. Other than that 4 hours, you can take the whole 20 hours. You can send an email to registrar@kailasa.org and I'll make myself available continuously. You can choose what kind of a session, program, initiation you want. I'll make myself available. Send a request to registrar@kailasa.org. I'll make myself available. My gurus have poured themselves in me. Whenever I remember their integrity to me, I feel the dedication is rekindled in my system. Once again, I fall for them. I fall in love with them. Whenever I fall in love with my gurus, I feel like dedicating myself to all of you, like how they dedicated themselves to me. The extreme dedication of my gurus to me has inspired and make me to dedicate me to all of you. All these sessions, programs will be absolutely free of charge. My only request is you have to make all the things needed. See, Hinduism is a very sweet, beautiful religion which need to be practiced with a lot of items like a lamps, mandalas, jnananjana, deity, yantra, all this. It's a colorful tradition. Only thing, make all that available for each initiation you request, class you request, process you request. If you don't know the checklist, you can request the registrar at kailasa.org. We can give you the checklist. Especially lot of newly donated properties like a Malaysia Kulim Center. All of them can do a mandala process. So I'll physically, literally, my Divya Sarira will walk in there and you can see me and that whole place will be blessed, inaugurated and energized. We can do all of this. We can organize 20 hours a day is quite a good amount of time. So each of the team can make my time useful for you to create a beautiful spiritual awakening in you and create Kailasa enlightenment ecosystem around you. All of you who waited patiently during this great pause you are qualified to enjoy all the great gifts Paramashiva has downloaded into me during this great pause. These are all for you. Please enjoy. Everyone who waited with patience during this great pause, I thank you all. With all my integrity, whatever Paramashiva has downloaded into me, I will share it with you all. It's all for all of you. He has downloaded. Enjoy. Enrich your life. Share with others. Create Kailasa enlightenment ecosystem and enjoy. I am here only to enrich all of you. I am going to make myself available 20 hours. And for example, if I am giving mandala session process in San Jose. And the Trishulam Center in Chennai also want to join. You can also join. If I am giving Kalpataru Darshan to Madurai SSJP Center, and you want to have the Kalpataru after the Madurai SSJP in San Jose, Madurai, you are free to have. And for example, in Trinidad Tobago, we are going to have Samay Diksha. And if you say, Swamiji, after that Samay Diksha, please give Samay Diksha for us in Toronto also, you are free to have, organize. Have ceremonies in both places. I'll give initiation to Toronto and then Trinidad Tobago. So you can club your requests. I will attend to every request and make myself available. The good news is I am healthy, safe. Paramashiva has downloaded himself, entered into this system and settled happily, blissfully, gracing everyone, making himself available. I welcome all of you. First, I thank everyone for being patient during this great pause. Even if you had little doubts, confusions during this great pause and you want to come back, you are welcome. I am available here for every one of you. I cannot say no to anyone. I love you all. That's the reason I am here. Welcome back. So enjoy, get enriched with this powerful cognition and radiate the state space powers being and superconsciousness of Paramashiva. Today's powerful cognition I wanted to share with you all is Smaranat Mukti Arunachalam. Just remember Arunachala. You are liberated. Sit with this powerful cognition. You will manifest any power you want. Just remember, Arunachala is not only my Guru, he is your Guru also. Your Guru is Arunachala. Just remember, Arunachala is your Guru. Remembrance of Arunachala is liberation. Remembrance of Arunachala is liberation. Sit with this one powerful cognition. Now, chant the Mahavagya intensely. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. And I tell you, the best thing happened is the great pause that detoxed the body, downloaded unimaginable number of spiritual sacred sciences and powers, and extreme gratitude and commitment, dedication to Paramashiva and my Guru Sampradaya. I am here available to all of you. to enjoy, share and celebrate, enrich and enjoy. Let's start the oneness process now. The powerful cognition is Smaranat Mukti Arunachalam. Just by remembrance, Arunachala liberates you. Remember Arunachala and sit with chanting the Mahavagya Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Intensely start. Ananda Paramashivoham. So essence of today's satsang is Paramashiva is available continuously. So Paramashiva is available continuously. Plan to use Paramashiva's presence, time, powers, everything as much as you can, as much as you want. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.